Hello, and welcome to Harman. Today we're taking a look at the Titan Aluminium Dining Collection. This modern aluminium set is the perfect material for outdoor furniture, as it's lightweight, strong, durable and will not rust. It is easy to clean and low maintenance, giving you more time to relax and enjoy your garden. This on-trend set will add a touch of modern living to any garden space. In the collection is a 2-seat bistro, the 4-seat round, and the 6-seat rectangular set. All cushions provided are Hartmann's Weatherready cushions, which can be left outside all summer long. The weather-resistant fabric simply allows water to bead and run off. During heavier and persistent rain, the water will penetrate through the seams and flow through the permeable fibres and exit through the mesh base. Drying times vary due to local conditions. All cushions have removable covers which are machine washable and are secured to the frame with the self-coloured ties. Adjustable resin feet are used on the base of each table to ensure stability, and resin feet on the chairs to avoid scratching to patios and terraces. The Tuscan ceramic glass top offers an aesthetically pleasing finish, whilst also ensuring durability. It is tempered, easy to clean, and boasts a heat and scratch-resistant surface. Hartmann. Comfort, design, quality.